So let's look at question number 2 on the complex questions in angle of elevation. So this is another question for angle of elevation, right? So in doing this, it's quite easy. They ask us to find the height, right? The whole of the height. But then you can see a rectangle here. This is a rectangle, and if we try to split them open, this is our triangle, right? This one is our triangle, and then we have a rectangle beneath. So what this simply means is that for a rectangle, two sides are equal, right? If here is 6.4, it actually makes here 6.4 cm, right? And if here is 2.5, it makes here 2.5 cm. That means this triangle has a length of 6.4, right? Yes, it has a length of 6.4, and then we have an angle here of what, 43 degrees. So if we look at the triangle alone, try to look at the triangle alone, we're looking for this height, right? Although we're looking for the total height, but if we can get this height, we can add it to what we have here to get our answer. That's as simple as it gets, right? So for that, we're going to do tan what? You can see that it is tan 43. Tan 43, make sure your calculator is with you so you can get what tan 43 is. Opposite over adjacent. So our opposite there is h, and our adjacent is 6.4, right? 6.4. So if you cross multiply, I'm going to have h as 6.4 times tan 43 degree, right? So h is equal to 6.4 times, so in your calculator there, what is 6 tan 43? What is tan 43 with your calculator? So with tan 43 we have 0.933. 0.933. Now we're going to multiply 6.4 times 0.933, right, to get the height. The height there is 6.4 times 0.933. We got 5.971. 5.971. That's the height, right? That's this height, the whole of here to here. So I can just take this off and see the height is 5.971. So if we add it to this length, that's 2, this triangle length to this one, are going to get the final answer. So the total length h is simply 2.5. It's simply 2.5 plus 5.971. So if you do that, what are you going to get? 2.5 plus 5.971. Our h becomes, we're going to have 8.471 as a final answer. So see how easy it is. This one is even more easier as compared to the first one. So I hope you understand what we just did. Just browse on them, iterate on them, make sure you like the video, you subscribe to the channel, and then you share the video. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.